assuming we win auto, okay, you're gonna have 7 in the high goal, you're gonna have control zone. We're gonna have the control zones there and there. So from there, I think that we will play pressure, you play defense. That way we can guarantee a high goal. We only need it is high goal, low goal park, okay?
Yeah, I can definitely keep them scoring in that high goal, and we can just give them the center.
So we're gonna force 1v1s. We'll force a 1v1 on our side because we're gonna pressure both goals because we're so fast. As long as you play the high goal pressure, you're gonna be in a 1v1. I trust you to win a 1v1, but if you're losing, you can tell me. I will stock up on balls, fake playing their side, and then pivot over and D-score.
Yeah, I won a 1v1 to 3-3-4 so we should be able to win this 1v1.
All right, and then
easier 1v1 for this match.
True. Just don't get smoked out.
Yeah.
We're good. If we lose Auton, so let's assume that we have lost Auton due to some weird malfunction or something. We now need to go for triple goal. So if we're going for triple goal, I say we double team a high goal, and then I'll leave you on that. And I
can unload on bottom goal really quickly. I mean, so can you.
Goal, I'm better at bottom goal. If you play mid goal well, I'd like you to play mid goal.
Yeah, we can play mid goal since we have our lift mech, and we can easily get that middle goal.
Okay, yeah. So no matter what, you guys can cover left side, and I'll cover right side. Yeah. And then if we lose auto, then we can last minute D-score an entire goal.
Yeah.
If possible, I want you guys to stock 6 balls and just hold them because you guys have D-score capability, right?
Yes.
On score.
So I can stock 6 blocks, and then if we lose long goal, I can just unload and hook. I've done
that. The goal is having 6 blocks at the last second.
Yeah, and then I can also just unload center goals, whichever one you need me to. I can just unload in one of those.
Yeah. We just need to make sure that when it comes down to it, one of us has enough blocks to just D-score and have the other one go in. Right now, my wing play is a little bit scuffed. I haven't had that much time to warm up before this match. So I'm going to have a little bit of a weird startup time, but don't worry, we're going to get back on there. Okay?
Do you want to take the blocks in their park zone? Because usually I take their blocks from their park zone just for extra blocks for us.
I'll take them if I can, but not a priority.
If not, then I can just ride through there and take those.
Yeah, if you get the chance. And if they leave you alone, score middle goal.
Yeah.
You guys want any match loads?
We don't use match loads. There's enough blocks on the field. So
I say you guys should take 4 because that way you can have 4 is enough to D-score any goal. Control zone. So as long as you're holding 4 and you lose the high goal,
we can hold some match loads down there just in case we need them. We can
hold 4 so you have the option to come back and get the zone fast.
Yeah.
Because if the materials are all on my side, you want to have.
Because usually we have to clear that out, shoot them, and then get the match loads. So that's why I usually just run through there and get those. Because that's enough blocks for me to do a quick D-score on something.
Yeah. Do you want a direct comm? Or do you want an alliance coach? We can direct communicate.
We can just direct.
Yeah, all right. No one's got earbuds in?
Nah.
No earbuds in? Pedro, no earbuds?
We ain't trying to get DQ'd here, bro.
Yeah. Max, no earbuds? No earbuds, no phones? We're good. All right.
We're good. Hey, Tyler's got headphones on.
Well, he's not on the drive team. So.
Yeah, he's not on the drive team.
Can we DQ the cameraman?
Yeah.
DQ. Can you DQ the cameraman?
Yeah.
He's on blue side.
All right, 40 seconds.
I'm not gonna lie. The music's got me going.
Yeah. Music helps me lock in during the match.
All right, it's us. Come on. Give me some. Yep. Ouch.
Yep. Yeah, all their blocks missed, so we should have the sauce on.
Nice. We got it. We got AWP. We got AWP and controls. All right, I'm gonna go D-score.
Just leave it. Kamikaze.
Kamikaze, okay.
Phil. They have no blocks. Hit them and then Phil.
Okay, hook out, go back. Go.
Got him.
Put lift down. Yep. They're stuck. Nope, they're out. They don't have blocks.
Nice, great.
That's fine.
Hey, push them off. Sideways, remember. Go, get him. Good. Good job.
Yep, good.
Turn up.
I'm forcing them to your side.
Your opinion there. Yo, we lost this goal.
Yeah, we lost
That's
this
fine.
goal. I'm just gonna get blocks. I'm stuck on them.
I don't see it.
My guys got no material.
Hey, we're stuck. We're stuck.
You're stuck?
Yeah, we're entangled with them.
You guys got 1v1, okay?
We got double, it's fine.
We got it.
We're out.
Hey, we're gonna take blocks. We're gonna take blocks. Hey, look at the mirror over there. You got full block. Hey, that's enough. Don't let him get that high.
Do you need help?
Hey, they're coming
Don't
here.
need to score right now.
I'm zoning them.
I have 6 blocks.
Hey, just wait the last second.
Go.
Defend.
No, go through. Pivot. Yep.
Keep it second, Joe. Keep it second. Nice.
Don't let him on.
Good hook play.
Oh, hey, Joe.
Ah, we have center.
SP.
Hey, that's neutral.
That's neutral.
Go, score one on that goal. Yeah.
Alright, we're geeked.
Hey, push them out. Yeah. Hey,
They can't hook.
Park, Joe.
4.
Park, push us.
Hey. No, we got auto and double.
Center.
Auto plus double control zone. We have one less block scored. We won. Go game.
Yeah.
No, we won.
I think it's down. Yeah, I just have enough momentum to get in there.
That's crazy SP ball. That's really good.
Me in there, guys. Me in.
Yes, sir.
I think it's down.
We are on the grounds.
You're all on the ground. I don't have to jug it. They're down.
We're down. Auto 1, 2, 3. They got control zone. 1, 2, 3.
You guys got one heck of a robot.
Hey, good game, guys. Hey, that was great.
Yeah, good robot, guys.
Hey, West Rockets, good game. GG's. Oh, you played great.
I think it's by literally 1 point.
Hey, good.
Bro, it's literally by 1 point.
We won by 1 point. Hey,
1 point.
we got AWP and strength points, baby. We're right. What?
We didn't get, alright, good. We didn't get park.
We didn't get
I didn't have
There's no park.
momentum, and there was no time.
We win, right?
Yeah, we won.
That was way too close, but like, yeah.
It was close, but hey, SP, it's 1 point separation point.
I think the sell was when I pivoted off to try and stop defending.
Yeah,
I think
it's
we
aight.
still played really well. Once again, we needed 2 goals and a park. We didn't get the park off. We still won.
Yeah.
Because they have 1 block on us, but overall, like, the strategy is, once again, you need to get 2 goals, ideally a long goal and a middle goal. We got double long goals, and then we
I got a little caught on the long goal, and that allowed them to get that one.
That entanglement was just really stuffed.
Yeah,
It kind of-
entanglement was also like messed up, bro. That was.
Yeah. I tried to pin them off so that you could go for the goal, but
We gotta get an interview.
Yeah, we need to do a second interview. It was
yeah, we didn't see score. We didn't see score.
We didn't see it.
39-38 AWP all-time winner. Yes, let's go. Woo! Seed 1.
Okay.
Seed 1.
Good job, guys.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay up to date on future fun videos. The Robotics Education and Competition Foundation provides fantastic programs for students from elementary school all the way through college. These include VEX, aerial drone competition, online challenges, JROTC, girl-powered, scholarships, certifications, and so much more. To discover these exciting opportunities, visit recf.org and get connected.